Here's an overview of the pre-engineered FabPak OmniClean system.
Now let's go over all the details.
In here we do have our headstock positioner, our FANUC robot, and our tool change drawer.
Now we'll talk about the tools that are on the end of the robot. First off, we have our 3M Active Compliant tool, which just allows us to keep consistent force throughout the entire process and maintain contact with the part, whether we're on a flat surface, at an angle, on the side, really any orientation, and we can maintain constant force and constant contact throughout the process. Secondly, we have the 3M servo motor, which allows us to keep consistent speed. It spins the abrasive and allows us to cut consistently throughout the process. Finally, we have our 3M abrasives on the end of the robot. This is what is used to remove the welds. So we're using our Cubitron 2 products to remove the weld. We have our Scotch-Brite product line, which can also blend out and finish the welds removal. And all three together help this OmniClean cell run.